Hello guys, good day. My name is Chris and you're watching ENC Flips. I just want to share to you my haul for this week. It's went crazy and can't you believe I spent 347 in one Goodwill. And why? You'll find out. Okay? Alright guys. Okay. I'm very excited to share it to you because in only one store I find a lot. See? As you can see. But this is my first time. As you can see, it's almost 8 o'clock. I don't know if you can see that one. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening. And I'm tired already. And I was sourcing all day. And what happened is I searched it and there's a 9 o'clock Goodwill that they were gonna be closed at 9 o'clock. So I said it's just only 2-3 miles away. And I said, well, why not go there? I already spent my rest day, the whole day, I mean. And yeah, I'm lucky I did. Why? I found a lot of Jordans, Air Jordans. Okay, here you go. I'll show you some, and yeah, I respect your time, and I'm just excited. One is this one. So this is Jordan, and look, just only $19. $19, and I checked the sold listing on this one. They're in a good condition. There's 100 plus on this. There's even a 200 something, but they are new. So I'll try to price this 200. Of course, it's very clean, but I'm gonna clean up a little bit. So yeah, right. So that's one of it, and there you go, guys. I line up over here already. See, it's Jordan again. This one is $25, as you can see, 25. So yeah, so but I check all the sold listing. It's almost from 80 to 100, 100 plus. So why not, right? So, but there's one in here, I think. I check all the sold comps, of course. There's one in here that I think it sold around 200 to 200 something, 200 to 350, I think. And I don't know if this is the one. I'm not familiar with really the shoes, guys, but I'm just lucky. I think I grabbed them. This one is a little bit pricey. This is 30 bucks. As you can see, 30 bucks, but hey, if you even I can just sold it like $70-$80, why not? Double my money, right? For a quick flip. And yeah, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 Jordans. See, this one is $19. It's Jordan. Here, Jordan. That's in 2011. Oh, it's almost vintage. Oh, it's vintage already. 2001 already. So
sorry,
yeah, guys. Here. Oh, it's okay, Siri. I'm in the video. So that's, and this is the tag. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll pop up in the picture. So I just go over on my haul, guys, and yeah, I'm just very excited because in one store I find a lot of Jordans, and this one, it's a little bit rough condition. It's all white, but Magic Eraser can get those. And this is $25 also, and it's Jordan, right? It's not really a rough condition. It's so good. So yeah, so good condition. See, just clean up a little bit, and yeah, thanks to Renzi now, it encourages me to source more on shoes. Mostly I do shoes and electronics. Electronics, I got it from Osborne to Thrift. I watch a lot of video, and for mix, I watch Thrift Yeti, and he has a cool finds this weekend. This week I think, and this one too, guys. This is, I don't know if this is Jordan or what, but it's a Nike Dunk, high dunk, and it's $14. As you can see, $14, right? $14, and there's a sold comes for 100 plus on this one. So why not? And it's very good condition, as you can see. And there's no rips, there's no tears. So always check on those guys. And yeah. And beside that, I found. Let's go. Yeah, I got a lot of shoes. SAS tripod comfort. I think this is half off orange. So this is 450 and maybe 35 $30. A lot of Asics, Brooks. Um, what else? Brooks. There you go. This is $6.99 Brooks. As you can see, it's still good condition. I just clean up a little bit. And oh, this one too, guys. Can't you believe this one? I did not expect that this is $11.99. There you go. $11.99, right? But this one sold 100 plus something. I think it's 120 or 150. And so I said, what? This one? That's why you need to check all the sold comps, guy. But when you see it, it's in good condition. See? It's very good condition. And yeah, from there, check it out. This one needs to clean a little bit. Just brush, wet a little bit, remove some dirt. And also, there's one interesting. This one, I'll just show it to you. This one is a coffee maker, half off deal. It's orange, so it's a $7.50. But this one will be sold around $35 to $50. Not really big, but that's good. And by the way, guys, it's a bolo. Maybe you know this already. And I didn't expect that this is very expensive. This one. Sensi. I don't know if you know this one. Sensi. And it's a cute copper. This one is $12.99, right? $12.99, but this sold for $80, $80 to $100. I'll pop up some sold comps in there, and look, this is brand new. I said, oh, what kind of stuff is this one? See, I check everything inside. Of course, guys, when you buy in a box thing, make sure that it's not broken. It's new. Yeah, this is very new. So they did not even use it. I check everything when I purchase them. So yeah, guys. So this is for how much? $12.99. Sell it to $75 to $80. That's good. Maybe you earn $30-40 after shipping fees and tax. Why not, right? This is part of the goodwill that I spent 300 something, 346. And this one too, it's a $7.99. I think 25% off. It's green, and this sold for around $35 to $45. But I'm gonna use this one since we drink some wine too. It's very interesting because it's like it's easy. Well, you have a faucet while drinking, right? So And yeah, mostly they're common. Oh, there's one more here. This is electronics, guys. Here, Minolta. You can search it. Minolta SRT 101. It's just only a body, but this will gonna sell around 35 to $55. If there's a lens on it, or yeah, if there's a lens on it and it's working, there's even sold even like 150 or something like that. This one is 997. See, sorry, 997, but it's a 50% off. That's why I said, oh, it's worth the risk. And I tried some function and it's worked. So, but I'll just put body only and 4 parts maybe, right? So yeah. So this one and this one also, it's a good find. And yeah, it's a Coach. What do you call this one? Doll shoes. Yeah, it's a women's, so I'm not really familiar. So it's I just grab it because I know Coach sells a lot. Not a lot, but medium size. But it's really good condition. See, it's a good condition. And it's only $7.99, right? So maybe flip it like 35, 40. There's no ribs, tears, or something. And by the way, guys, one more bolo. This one is 50% off too. This is $2, and this will gonna sold like I think 20 to $25. This is a receiver remote. Mostly, just a quick tip. If you, yeah, it's a bolo also remote. When you're starting, make sure check everything. Okay, when you check, just don't check this. Oh, sorry. When you check, just don't check this one. Okay, first check this one. Okay, make sure that there's no corrosion. Okay, or yeah, calcium buildup or something like that in there. If there is, if just a little, that's fine. You can just put the vinegar or Q-tips, clean it with the vinegar, it will be gone. So, all right, guys. So I think for there's a lot of shoes here, but mostly they're common, like Brooks, A6. Oh, there's one more, Hoka. Oh, that one too. Hoka, guys. If you don't know this brand, it's a good one. Okay, so this one I think I paid eight 8.99, and this will sell around like 35 to 55 or 60. And some I sold I think yesterday. It's a Hoka also. I sold it around 72 or $75, and I accept the offer. This is a good brand to look out also, right? And even me, I'm using it because it's good to your feet, even especially if you're walking a lot, or that's a good brand in short. So guys, I think that's my, yeah, mostly Jordans, Nikes, for electronics. And yeah, guys. Oh, by the way, this one, I found this one too. It's a Iowa Walkman. It's not brand new, but there's everything in it. There's the manual. This one, there's no corrosion, and there's for cassette if you have old car, cassette audio, um, charger if you wanna listen to music in the car. There's two of it, and wall charger, or wall plug, or wall power source. So this one was the last time I look at, it's I think around 30, $40, but I'm gonna search more. I just grab it, guys, because as you can see, it's just only $7.99. So it's worth the gamble. If yeah. So I think I'll return it later. So I think that's it. Yeah, if you have any question, hope you like this video. I just share this thing. I'm just excited because it's my first time to see a Jordan. Like, how many pairs? 8, 9 pairs plus Hoka and some of it. And some they're just only my first day that I source. I found these Jordans on my second day that I source this week. So hopefully you got some you got some tips, and yeah, I think that's it. And it's time to clean, right? So by the way, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, or if you have any question, please do leave a comment or connect with me with Instagram. My link is my link below. My link